when you have to make a tough decision, meaning internally, you're not sure if you want to do it or not, right? It could be quitting a client, quitting a job, saying yes to something you're not quite sure you want to do. And you've got all these reasons why, your list of pros and cons are almost even. A great way to help yourself decide is to truly decide and write down your choice just on a piece of paper, and then walk away, go about your business, go wash the dishes, go walk the dog, go just like detach from it, and then come back later in the day when you've kind of forgotten about it and look at what you answered and then see how you feel. Are you relieved? Oh, I'm so glad I said no to that. Are you disappointed? God dang, I probably should have done that. What was I could have made time. I just gave up a lot of money. And now you get to have a gut check, right? So that's the advice I gave Jody about this thing. And just something to keep in mind. It really works. There's something weird about, you got to trick yourself, but something about coming to that moment where you're truly decided and then just moving on. And then you get to like reverse it. If you don't like your answer before you actually send it to the person.